Now Support is your service and support control center, where you can manage your ServiceNow instances, get help, and more. Log into the portal with your ServiceNow ID and get a personalized view of Now Support. Stay connected to your instances and move cases forward with a seamless support experience. The homepage displays a high-level view of your instances, recent cases, changes, and more. Ask Kodi, the Now virtual agent, is available across the portal to answer questions and help you complete key tasks. Explore the Help Center to get personalized solutions, learn about ServiceNow, and maximize your Now Support experience. Find helpful resources like product documentation and curated community content. Search the knowledge base for support and troubleshooting articles, and watch the latest video tutorials on how to use Now Support. Need something else? Ask a question, make a request, or open a case with our world-class customer service and support team. Create a case to engage ServiceNow Technical Support and track each case with My Support. My Support displays your issues, including cases, problems, and changes in an easy-to-read visual format. Toggle between different visualizations to better understand your issues. See the status of your instances from the Instance Dashboard, including the current versions, status, and availability. We'll let you know if your instances should be patched or upgraded. Your instance details are just a click away. Need to activate a plugin? Or maybe you need to make a service catalog request. The Automation Store has options to shop from. Bookmark automations to quickly navigate to your favorite requests. Manage Accounts gives you an overview of your users and visibility into their activity. Personalize your universal profile with your photo, achievements, and contact information to stay updated on news and updates. You can also view all your account contacts, so reaching your customer admin is easy. Never lose track of important tasks that need your attention. Effectively manage all of your notifications in one easy-to-read Now Support inbox. Personalize how you would like to be notified of updates with portal, SMS, mobile app, and email notification capabilities. Search across Now Support at any time to find personalized and relevant answers faster than ever. Tell us about your Now Support digital experience. Let us know what we are doing well or how we can improve. Always here, always ready. Reimagine how you get support.